use it directly.
Вот ты здесь. Вас снимает скрытая камера. Bye bye, love. It's my video blog about Chinese life. No. И китаянки вы.
Реально первый раз именно китаянки.
No, what are you doing?
Still recording. This is for mood, change the mood.
Yeah, it signs that it's recording.
Yes, yeah, we finished our class, we feel happy today. You can see our library, we never go to the study. I don't know, I want to go out, have fun. I'm feeling tired already.
I think I need to do homework right now, then go into 学生食堂吃饭。然后 maybe I have free time for something, maybe billiard, maybe poker club.
No man,
tonight.
after 7 p.m. I have to go for singing.
Singing?
You know, I'm a singer right now.
Singer.
I'm just doing it for fun. Like
Yeah,
maybe 10 years later I will watch these videos and I like, oh.
Yeah, it's the first step of like blogger career.
Yeah,
career.
Blogger.
Yeah. See you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.